Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Flow app for convenient EV charging access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Flow app installed on your device. Locate the Flow app icon on your home screen and tap to open it. On the home screen, you'll see the login option at the bottom. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input the email associated with your Flow account. Next, tap on the Next button. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you've entered your password, tap on the Login button to access your account. If this is your first time logging in, you might need to verify your account. Check your email for a verification link if prompted. Click on the link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the app and enter your credentials again if needed. Now that you are logged in, explore the features the Flow app offers. You can find nearby charging stations, manage your charging sessions, and view your usage history. Enjoy the convenience of electric vehicle charging with the Flow app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.